Want to create this spotlight text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro? Here's how. First, create your text and adjust it to the position and style you want. Next, hold Alt and drag the text layer to create a duplicate. Now turn off the visibility of the upper text layer for a moment. Select the lower text layer, go to the Lumetri Color panel, and reduce the exposure value to make the text darker. Once that's done, turn the visibility of the upper text layer back on. Now select the upper text layer and go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Opacity, create a mask and adjust it over the area of the text you want to highlight. Then increase the mask feather value to create a smooth spotlight effect. Next, add a keyframe for the mask position. Move a few frames forward and create another keyframe. Now reposition the mask to the end of the text. Premiere Pro will automatically animate the mask between the keyframes, creating a smooth spotlight reveal effect. And that's it. You've successfully created a spotlight text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and creative editing effects, and let me know in the comments which effect you'd like to learn next.